Welcome to Brushy Creek Corporate Center, a hub for research and development companies in Cedar Park, Texas. Brushy Creek Corporate Center consists of two single-story buildings that are ideal for manufacturing or flex space. The 16-acre site backs up to the Brushy Creek Regional Trail. A tenant improvement allowance is available for you to build out the space to meet your company's specific needs. Located just minutes from the Northwest Austin Tech community, Cedar Park gives you access to a number of incentive opportunities, including triple FREEPORT exemption. Cedar Park is one of the fastest growing cities in the nation and boasts desirable neighborhoods and an excellent school district. And the city offers many of Austin's most popular restaurants and retailers, including The Grove, Whole Foods, Hop Dottie, numerous national brands, and the HEB Center, which hosts over 150 events and concerts each year. Don't miss your chance to be part of the high-end manufacturing campus at Brushy Creek Corporate Center in Cedar Park, Texas.